Okay students, let us start with 3D shapes and we will start with the first one, that is cube. Now understand to sir very clearly. Square is what kind of shape? 2D shape. Whenever we convert square from 2D to 3D, we are getting what? We are getting a cube. I again repeat, square is which kind of shape? Sir will draw also for you. Square is which kind of shape? 2D, correct? Whenever we convert a square in 2D into 3D, we are getting what? We are getting a cube, correct? Now sir will draw this cube for you. Just see how you are drawing if you don't know. First we draw a square, correct? Then little bit on the back side of the same size, we draw one more square. Now we join the lines. This line is joined with this line is joined with this line is joined with this, and this line is joined with this. So this will create a what? This will create a cube. I will draw here once more so that all students have a better idea. This time let us draw with black so that all can see. I have drawn a square, correct? Let me draw it little smaller because it is not looking proper. So I have drawn a square. Now on the back side, with little this side, I will draw one more square of the same size. Now once this is drawn, I will join them. Join the sides, join the edges. So this will be what? This will be a cube. Okay? I hope you understand how to draw square and how to convert it into a cube. Now there are two things. Now let us first of all look at this. This is a cube, students. Okay, clear? All can see this very fine. Now first of all let us see, there is one thing that sir has written, faces. Now what is the meaning of faces? The side that you can see can be called faces. I hope you are understanding. The side that you can see can be called faces. Now let us calculate how many faces does a cube have. See, 1, 2, 3, back side 4, 5, 6. Sir is repeating once more. Let me, you can say, mark something so that you can understand how many faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again mark has come. So this side is over. Up side 5, bottom side 6. I am again repeating how many faces. What is meaning of face? The side of a shape that we can see is called a face. So how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, back side 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So in a cube, how many faces is possible? 6. Okay. Now next is number of edges. Now what is the meaning of edges? How many lines are there in a cube? That will be called edges. So sir will do it properly. Just see. I am using this blue ink to draw the cube. I am marking the edges with black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are coming, students? 12. So remember this thing about a cube very, very properly. Listen to sir. In a cube, all sides and faces are same. Okay, as you can see, sir will show you once more. In a cube, do you see that all faces are looking the same? Yes. So all sides or faces are the same. What is cube? Cube is 3D form of a square. I spoke at the beginning, square is in 2D shape. Wherever we are converting square into 3D form, we are getting what? We are getting a cube, and this is how the cube is drawn. We checked how many faces does a cube have? 6. What is a face? The side of a shape that is visible is called a face. How many faces does a cube have? 6. And we calculated how many lines or how many edges does a cube have? It is having 12 edges. Okay. So this was cube. You can pause this video and see the section. Okay students. Now let us discuss the second type of 3D shape, that is a 3D rectangle that we call cuboid. Okay. Rectangle is a 2D shape, correct? Whenever we are comparing this rectangle into or converting this rectangle into a 3D shape, we get a cuboid. Okay. So the method to draw will be the same. We will draw it once more. Okay. Now let me draw a rectangle first of all. Done. Why rectangle? Because cuboid is 3D form of a rectangle. I have drawn one rectangle. I will draw one more rectangle. Back side, maybe of the same size. Done. I will join the lines. Correct? So this will be called what? This will be called a cuboid. Sir will draw once more for students here so that you are understanding. First we will draw a rectangle. Correct? Then we will draw one more rectangle. And finally we will join edge to edge so that this will become a cuboid. Correct? Okay. Now cuboid can be shown as this. Cuboid can be shown as this also. Both are meaning the same. This is also same. This is also the same. Okay. Now let us calculate what are the faces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, back side 4. Top 5, bottom 6. I repeat once more. 1, 2, 3, back side 4, top side 5 and bottom side 6. So students, how many faces of a cuboid are possible? 6. Okay. Let us do the edge calculation. We will use black ink for that. Edge calculation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges are possible? 12 edges are possible. I hope you are able to understand. And what is the property of a cuboid? What was the property of a rectangle? Opposite sides are same. So in also cuboid you will see that opposite sides are same. All sides are not the same. Okay. So students, this was cuboid. We discussed two 3D shapes, that is cube. Cube is what? 3D form of a square. We discussed second 3D shape, that is cuboid. Cuboid is what? 3D form of a rectangle. And as you have seen, both cube and cuboid have 6 faces and 12 edges. Okay.